Hey guys, before this video starts, remember to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll move on with the video. Y'all done? Good. Okay, so we're here playing Freddy's Tycoon 3. I already got some money and started off my Tycoon. I rented this house too. Dude, wake up. Yeah, we're playing with him again. Just he's bald. Time to go to work.
We haven't even had breakfast.
Oh yeah. We just
and
like
today
playing.
we're going into the car. Why do we always have a board? Get the cereal. I'm gonna wait. Please dump up here.
Yum 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 yum. You good? You good? Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Remember?
Let's go over to work. Let's take the car. We have no car. Sad.
Pretend. Then we're out.
Okay. So I already started a lot, but I have stuff to do. A lot of things. Like all this. So pretty much we're gonna try and make a Freddy's Pizzeria. If you don't know what it looks like, well, you might wanna watch a video of the game or play the game, but I don't recommend it because it is a horror game. If you like scary stuff, go ahead. Maybe even play Five Nights at Freddy's 4. It's a scary one.
Okay, Chris.
What?
And I'm gonna tell you. I really don't.
Well, we're just gonna continue. So, we're gonna keep on buying things. So, once I finish up,
Chris.
I'll show you what it looks like. What?
Chris.
What?
Can you tell them my YouTuber name?
What is it?
That's going to be. I haven't started my YouTube channel yet. I maybe never will.
What's it gonna be?
Let's call it the I'm gonna be the warrior.
Okay, my friend's YouTube name that's going to be out soon is The Warriors, right? The Warriors?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's his name.
I bought an animatronic. I'm out.
There's a warrior. Dude, there's also a
I'm out.
warning that says at night they will move, but they can't hurt you. They only will move around a bit. They're not too scary.
Nope.
They're not very scary, dude. I'm coming over to protect you.
I hate creepy things.
Wait. What animatronic did you buy? You didn't buy an animatronic, dude. I'm over at your place.
And somewhere I did.
Show me it. Show me it.
I don't want to freak you out. I'm not going in there ever again. Ever.
Dude, I already seen every animatronic, dude.
Okay, dude, let's go home and pretend we lost our job.
No. I still have it, but you lost your job, maybe. I don't know.
Hey, man. I'm really sad that I lost my job.
Yeah, it's sad. I still have it, though. But seriously, dude, where is this animatronic?
Well, this animatronic kind of scared me.
Dude, I seen every single animatronic.
Dude, come home.
Dude, I'm looking for it. It's not Endo. It's
I
not.
didn't get an animatronic, but I went to somebody's place. They have all the animatronics. It came running after me. I went, run. My brain.
Dude, they weren't running after you.
I know. He was following me. Dude, come back to the house.
I need to see his place.
What?
I see his place. Her place. I see Freddy. He's in the middle of the tables. Foxy's still where?
Dude, come on. Let's go home.
I'm looking for all the animatronics. Chica's right here. Chica's in the hall. Oh my god.
Dude, where are you?
In the guy's place.
What guy?
Hi, Bonnie.
What guy?
The person that had all the animatronics you were at. I see Freddy in the middle, and then let's see.
Can you come outside?
Chica? Yeah, sure. Hey, dude, right here.
Is it mine or yours?
What? It's this one right here. It's not either of ours.
Let's go in.
Warning. Warning. No, that's not for you guys. That's just for him. Here's Freddy. Don't worry. He hasn't been moving much. Foxy's still in here, so he hasn't moved. Wait, what about Endo? Endo's still in here.
Where?
The power went out. The power went out. Oh my gosh. The generator.
I'm going home.
It's good.
Dude, I went home.
Don't. Dude, seriously? I
Now
just
it's
clicked the button, dude.
I was so scared when that happened.
I only clicked the button.
Dude, do that. Did you do that?
Yes.
What's wrong with you? I hate you.
Dude, I don't think you'd freak out.
You don't know how scared I am of things.
Eating time, fun time, party time. Sorry, that was the animatronics talking. Okay.
The animatronics building area.
Okay. I see.
Where's the office?
Wait, what?
Where's the office?
Follow me down this hall. Oh gosh, both the office doors are closed. We're locked at. Wait, what? We're cornered. Did. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go. I got this.
Me too.
Okay. Hi, Freddy. Please don't move. Hi. It's
Hi,
me,
God.
please.
Hi, I'm gonna rub my butt cheeks in your face.
Wait.
I'm gonna kiss him. Ah, yeah. Yeah.
No.
I kissed him.
Dude, come over to my place.
Beautiful.
Come over to my place. Dude, come back to my place. Because I got it.
Hey dude, when you finish this, let's pretend this is nobody's place. Let's pretend there's somebody in here and like, wait, what did you get?
An animatronic.
Okay. Get the other ones.
Oh yeah, I forgot. And also I'm gonna get this. This is the power switch I flipped.
Where?
There was, come into the little closet right over here.
Okay.
See here? I just clicked this. That's
Oh.
Endo.
Yeah. Hey dude.
What?
I'm gonna go to somebody else's place. I'm gonna go to somebody else's place. Go in, and when everybody comes there,
come here
I'm gonna
right now.
flicker on
Come
the
here
bus.
right now.
On off.
Dude, come here right now. Right now. Come to my place.
Why?
You have to see this.
Okay. Did he move at night?
Just follow me.
Wait.
It's morning, right?
Uh-huh.
Bomb,
Freddy's
bomb.
gone.
Look down the hall. Why is he still there? It's morning.
Yeah. He's supposed to be back there.
He's supposed to be back at the stage. What's happening?
Maybe
That's
he's
weird.
not
But dude, guess what?
What?
Bonnie has been bought. That's another animatronic. I'll also name the animatronics for you. So here's Freddy, the main.
No.
Then here's Bonnie. And then Chica will be over here. She is a duck. And then Endo is their endoskeleton, so their insides. So we can buy that over there. And then where is he? There's Foxy's Cove that we can buy.
Where?
It's right here. Foxy will be in here. He is, well, a fox. He's probably the hardest one to dodge. But then there's one that only appears on like night 5 or 6. Golden Freddy. He's a yellow version of Freddy.
You know there's only 5 nights at Five Nights at Freddy's?
I said the 5th night.
Dude.
What?
Let me in. Let me in this place.
The office?
Let me in the office.
There's 2 doors. Okay, dude. Forget it.
Pretend this is our place.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be hard. Because we need to survive 5 nights here. Dude, let's go home.
No! Fine. Can't believe
Yeah, I rented this house.
Dude, we're getting hired tomorrow.
Yes! Okay, so
We need to get
I actually
ready.
had to rent this house for 20 Robux, by the way, guys. You don't start with it. But yeah. He can open doors since he didn't rent it. So. He has no idea that I'm at work right now. So yeah, this is a pretty nice place. How did you know I was at work?
Come on.
What?
Office.
Oh yeah. I'm here. Come in. Let me check the cameras. I actually can't. Dude. Down the hole. Down the hole. Down the hole. Look down the hole. Wait, we can't see the window. Close it, close it, close it. I'm actually gonna turn it on. This is actually pretty cool music. Dude, let me out. Let me out. Dude, there's 3 I can buy. Which one should I buy? Foxy, Endo, or Chica?
Chica.
You don't want the Foxy? Okay, it looks like it's Chica. Chica the duck. Or Foxy the fox. The Endo. Chica has been bought. Hi. I can teleport.